Por and para, how to tell them apart. Por and para are used in different contexts in Spanish. Here's a simple explanation for beginners.
Por.
Think of por as explaining a reason or cause. It answers questions like why, how, through what means, or for how long something happens. Here are a few key uses. Cause or reason.
Lo hice por ti.
I did it for you. Means or method.
Hablamos por teléfono.
We talk on the phone. Duration of time.
Estudié por 2 horas.
I studied for 2 hours. Exchange or substitution.
Te doy 5 euros por el libro.
I'll give you €5 for the book. Movement through a place.
Caminamos por el parque.
We walked through the park.
Para.
Para is used when talking about the goal or destination of an action. It often answers questions like for what purpose, who something is for, or where something is going. Here are the main uses. Purpose or goal.
Estudio para ser médico.
I study to become a doctor. Destination.
Salimos para Madrid.
We're leaving for Madrid. Recipient.
Este regalo es para ti.
This gift is for you. Deadline.
La tarea es para mañana.
The homework is for tomorrow. Quick trick. Use por when talking about the cause or how something happens. Use para when talking about the effect, purpose, or where something is going. This should help you start recognizing when to use each word. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get more tips like this. That way, you will improve your Spanish every day.